Close
Okay.
call. She has two seasonings, but she can't remember well, three seasonings, but she can't remember the fourth name.
Yeah.
This is going to be your meat.
Okay.
The meat that he's cutting up is gonna be her meat.
That's
That
close.
fat big wagyu meat. That big, about to be rotisserie chicken. Sorry,
And this is mine, baby.
big rotisserie chicken.
And you say this slice for later on during the week.
Is it on? Is the light on? Yes, it's on. If the light is on, then it means it's on.
Oh, sorry, y'all. Like that voice that you just heard, it wasn't my voice. This is my original voice. Sorry.
What's that?
Okay.
Yes, it is.
So, Chloe,
Yes.
do you use
I'm not a little girl.
Yes, you are.
Be quiet.
this red sauce seasoning?
I know. Sometimes. Well, yeah.
So what?
Hmm?
What are you gonna use to season your meat?
Wait, what was that one?
This is Tony Chachere's, honey. This is
I'll
Creole
use it.
seasoning. Basically, it's red salt.
No.
So you just use salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm using salt,
Salt,
garlic powder.
garlic powder.
This is Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
So, are you ready? We're gonna go ahead and cut open our meat, throw them in the pots, and we're gonna season them up, okay?
Okay.